Hi everyone, this is Josephine from Untitled. I'm so glad to meet you again in our new broadcast today. So how is your day? Are you ready to join our new broadcast now? As usual, please type in your ideas, opinions, and suggestions in the comments area to take part in our new broadcast. If you have any kinds of questions, you can comment us below so I can answer you at the first time. In case if this is the first time you come to our new broadcast, we have to go through our background story. We are a professional adhesive label manufacturer with an annual production capacity of over 66 billion labels. So our company specializes in label product from 2001 and focus on the adhesive label manufacturer market segment all the time. And now we totally have 3 plants in Shenzhen, Shanghai, and Tianjin with totally 50 production lines. And we have 2 material production bases. Besides, we have rich export experience in different target markets for 13 years. In the United States, the United Kingdom, Australia, and other European and American countries are all of our target markets. So we are one of the biggest label suppliers in China. It's really cool. I'm so proud of that. So since it's established, our company committed to technology evolution and product research and development, advocating personality service and developing environment-friendly concept. So implement standards management from raw material purchasing to production process. So as well label adhering to the high quality, efficient, fast, the evolution of idea with the separate of evolution and the passion for quality attitude and tireless pursuit. So we provide premium quality product and service to friends who from all walks of life. We sincerely welcome friends to come to inquiry, negotiation, and wish our sincere cooperation and common development. So, guaranteed quality, fast delivery is our consistent service mission. In order to meet the customer requirement of delivery on time, we founded 2 production bases, and we have 3 plants in Shenzhen, Shanghai, and Tianjin, which is main port for export. So we can meet the customer requirement of delivery on time. So okay guys, today I have a full and enjoyable time with you to show you one of our factory which is located in Shanghai. At this section, I will introduce our workshop, quality control room, and some hot step product. So now let's start. Firstly, I will introduce one of our workshop in Shanghai factory. Okay, now we can see this is our first workshop of this factory. So beginning with PS plate offset printing machine. This machine is used for color printing. The printing quality is very high. The color is clear. The texture is fine. And the salt and dense. It is very suitable for making color products. We can see from here. So it is very suitable for making colorful products. At the same time, we can cover the product with matte film or bright film. Regarding color printing labels, we can accept customized service. Like we can accept OEM and ODM. If you need, we design for you. You can tell us your needs, and we will design the artwork for your confirmation. So we can see from here. And over here it is the bright film. We can cover it to the label, so make a surface to be waterproof. Okay, here we can see one of the small label which we print colorful. Okay, here what we can see is the leaking machine. In our Shanghai factory, we have many such kind of machine. In order to ensure our delivery time, we will operate 24 hours per day. We can see this is our leaking machine. Firstly, we will make the shape, and then splitting it into a small roll separate. Okay, here we can see some of the finished label. It is ready to delivery. We just prepare and then we will remove it to the warehouse. And here we can see a flexible printing machine, a very huge machine. This kind of machine is suitable for large orders, very efficient. We have 5 in this workshop, and there are many in other workshops. Let me introduce this machine in particular. Okay, we can see here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 rows. So 5 rows for the production. It is very efficient. Mainly for stacking products. We know some 4 inches into 6 inches stack labels. Usually 500 labels per stack, 1,000 labels per stack, and 2,000 labels per stack. Those products are made with this machine, and it is very efficient. So it will be fold here automatically. And we can see those all of our flexible printing machine. 呀，没有任何的。Okay guys, this side we can see it is for the packing area and our product packing by automatically machine. So let's close to and we can see my colleague put the paper roll labels from here. Those roll labels will automatically roll into the correct position and then they will be divided into a fixed number of groups. Automatically dropped by heat being fulfilled. After heat, and it is packaged up. And you can see that those labels are perfectly packaged together, very efficient, and the packing is beautiful and exquisite. After that, my colleague will put those labels into a cartoon. The dimension of those cartoons are customized. We can also accept print those books and design artwork and other service. Here we can print your logo and other service. So after that, the tape. The tape will be scaled by automatically machine and the packing will be ready. So this is our machine, packing machine automatically tape. Okay, this one it is done. And then those cartoons will be placed on the pallet, and the packing film will be wrapped by an automatic pallet machine. We will put the cartoons. We will put the corner guard and to protect the wood on those pallets. Our pallets are made with export standard, regardless of whether you export to which country. Our regular pallet size is 1 into 1 meters or 1 into 1.2 meters, and other size will can be customized. And we can see some pallets which we packing already here. So those pallets is ready to ship. It looks very tidy and the product is very good. Okay guys, This is our first workshop. So those is our flexible printing machine. And here we can see this is our sleeping machine. We can see this is the raw material from this side. And here it is very fast and efficient. Alright, this is the end of our workshop tour. So let's go to our warehouse. So what I want to show you is our workshop and will be our workshop, warehouse and inspection booth to see how we manage and we produce our product under ISO standards. So actually we have the elevator because when I go to inside there's no internet. So I have to walk by the stairs. Okay, so I will show you our one of the warehouse. So here we will see some of the finished label which ready to be shipped. And this is all the goods pallet on the and this is our another workshop. Here we will put some material. It's just a transfer area. Here also we keep some finished label ready to ship. Those labels are also ready to ship. Here also the labels palette ready to ship. Every day we will send like 1 or 2 containers. Here it is also our finished label warehouse area. We keep those. So in our warehouse we have 3 parts. We have raw material warehouse, packing product warehouse, and finished label product warehouse. We can see those are very tidy and clear. We keep we keep those all in a good condition. For the label material, we have our own label material factory, which is located in Kunshan Shangyue S1 Label Material Company Limited. We product the new label material for ourselves. Also, we sell label material, such as the red thermal label material, semi-glossy paper label material, glossy paper label material, synthetic paper label material, and direct synthetic paper label material, and some other popular film label material we can produce. If you are interested, please connect us for more details. Okay, next I want to show you quality inspection room. So while we go to the quality inspection room, we will pass this small workshop where we can see some big machine here for those colorful printing labels. Such as we can print some information or your logo or some promotion on the backside. Also, we accept customized tracking. And if you have any other questions, you can type in comments area. We will answer you as soon as possible. And here we will see one of our high PI electrical printing machine. You can see those. We can add like 10 colors or 5 colors. And also we can do the such as the gold stamp. Okay, I will show you some other machine which we also do that here. Okay guys, in my back side here it is all the labels are waiting waiting for packing. So after we finish product, we will put this transfer area and waiting for the packing department take them and packing. We can see those labels are done. Okay, next let's go to our inspection room. Here is our sample shelf. We will take some samples from here. If you need any samples, you can send our inquiry and we will send the similar samples to you. Like this is the colorful printing. It is mango bright. Also, we can do this kind of as a full color printing. Okay, let's go to our quality control room. So here is our quality control room. Before I introduce our equipment for test, I want to share some how we do quality control. We have 4 parts for quality control. Firstly, we will do incoming quality control. We will inspect the paper, include graph of the paper, and thermal or other performance of the paper raw material. Secondly, we will do in progress quality control. When we produce label material, every step we will do first article assurance. Ensure the label material quality is under control. So then we will final quality control. When the label material is done, we will take the sample of the raw material and inspect all performance of the label material. Lastly, we will do ultimate quality control. We will check everything of the label material, include the label material quality and package. And we will keep a record to make sure that it is 100% identification and traceability. Okay, now let me introduce some equipment because I don't know how to use those equipment, so I can't show how to use it to you. But I can tell you what we will check in terms of quality inspection. So this is what is computer tab peel adhesion tester. So we will use this machine to test the degree of the peel adhesion. See how much easier to peel off. Okay, here we will have another machine. It is this machine we use that to test the degree of white, especially the face stuff. We will check how much degree of the material. It is not the whiter the better, but the need of the printer. When we print it, it will be clearly and tidy. So that is much better for our material. And here we have the machine used to test the smooth of the feedstock. The smoothness of the paper affects our printing experience, so we will test our feedstock to know how much degree of the smooth. The machine is for test that how much whiter uh, is in the label. Sometimes when we print the label like direct thermal label or thermal transfer label, the label will be heated by the printer head. Sometimes we will find that the printed label is cleared. Maybe the printer head is so hot make the water in the label dries to make the glue in the label dry. So that's the reason make the label clear. And here we also have another machine which we use to test how much adhesion strong. So we will put the label here and put this all the very heavy item down and see how much, how many hours it will keep. Okay, those machine we using to test our label material and the label quality, and then I want to show you the performance of our feedstock. I think there are two more important indicators for raw material uh, on the one hand is the performance of the feedstock, on the other hand is the stickiness of the glue. So now let's see how we do the test. And here we can see some craft paper box. So we will put some, we will paste the labels on that, and we will check how much peel adhesion we can peel off from the craft paper label box. And we also do some tests which we calling that is 3 proof, like waterproof, oil proof, alcohol proof. And also we doing like this is the 3-ply label, and we will see how much how much easier to peel off the second ply like that. And also we do the tip uh, resident. Like we all know when we print the thermal label and one we tip the tip on the paper label, and it will be disappeared what we print. We will see how long time it will keep here clear, and the barcode can be scanned, and so we will know what is the quality of this label material. And also we will test the label to put all the surface, like this is the food box. So we will stick the label on the this kind of feedstock, and we will stick those kind of label, those kind of surface to see how much sticky it is, what kind of glue we should use. Here we also do some film to see if it is sticky very good. To see if it can be sticky here, and when we peel off, the film not be damaged. Also here we have to the waterproof. We can see here it is the label which we print, and we will put into the water to see it can be really waterproof. Those kind of label always to use for drinks. like beer or some juice, which we keep in the chiller refrigerator to see if it is waterproof. Here we have some scales, which we use to into the supermarket. So we will put the labels into those kind of tab scales to see the scale label can be fit into those kind of scales. And here we have many label printer. Those are like the thermal printer, which we print before the label product, and to see the label compatible with those kind of printer. Here we can see some small box, which we keep the samples into the box. We will see from the downstairs to the up. It is from the first day, second day, third day, fourth day, fifth day, sixth day, 7 days. This is for the 1 week period, and those are the 1 month, 3 months, and half of a year. So we will keep those kind of material and samples here to see how it is the performance with the times going. So this is which we named waiting for print, to see when the labels keep 1 week. After 1 week, it will how it's the performance of printing. Here we can see we have chiller. So inside we will put some labels inside to see if the labels can be in the very bad temperature, like we can see the temperature is very low. We put the labels into the chiller and to see if the labels can be used in those kind of temperature. So to see how is the sticky of the glue. This is our glue for the very low temperature. It has good performance. And also we have another machine for testing. What is it? Named Programmable consistent temperature and humidity test chamber, which we use it. We will when you give us the environment of the label situation, and we will adjust the temperature and weight and some other indicator to make this machine like the environment that you use in the environment. Okay guys, this is our inspection room. Those labels is our samples. We will keep those samples for 1 row for 1 year. After 1 year, we will remove it to the warehouse, to the sample warehouse or sample shelves. Okay, guys. I think after today's new broadcast, you will know our um, label manufacturer. You will know our factory. So if you have any questions, you can comment as below so we can answer you at the first time. So today I will introduce some labels for you as well. I want to show you our uh, I will show you our office. So this is our office. This is the tea room, cafeteria. Okay, this is our meeting room. So what we produce, we will do the adhesive label like diamond compatible label, DK brother compatible label, A4 label, and a lighter size label for laser inkjet printer. And also we can do some printing labels like some colorful label, even for the water bottle and some other labels that we can do. So why you choose us? So um, firstly, we are a label manufacturer in China. We are one of the biggest label adhesive label manufacturer in China. And secondly, our material is product by ourselves. We have two material production bases, and we have three label factory in China, like Shenzhen, Shanghai, and Tianjin, which is main port for export. Also, we have 13 rich experience expert. So when you cooperate with us, you will feel that is very reliable and happiness. So today our report is going to the end. Tomorrow I will introduce some product of our hot sale product. So see you tomorrow. Thank you so much.